For so many years, my life revolved around my kids. Raising them and watching them grow into such a beautiful humans has been my greatest blessing. When they became adults, I thought now it's our turn. I couldn't wait to start this new chapter with my husband, travel more, make more memories, and just enjoy life together. But God has different plans. Losing my husband has been the hardest thing I ever faced. There are days when I wake up feeling strong and positive, and there are days when I don't even want to get out of bed. Grief is strange like that. Then I stopped and asked myself, if he were here, how would he want me to live? He would want me to live life to the fullest and keep smiling. So that's what I'm going to do, not because I've moved on, but because I'll carry him with me wherever I go.